Now we will discuss some numericals based on these concepts, children. So let us write. Let us first discuss the questions given on page 102 of NCERT book. First question is distinguish between speed and velocity. So you can easily differentiate these two terms. First you write the definition of speed and velocity. Then you can write that speed is scalar quantity and velocity is vector quantity. Then second question is under what conditions is the magnitude of average velocity of an object is equals to its average speed. So think about it. When average velocity will be equal to average speed, when the object is moving in uniform motion. If the object is performing uniform motion, then average velocity and average speed are same or equal. Then third question is, what does the odometer of an automobile measures? So odometer measures the distance traveled by an object. Then fourth question, what does the path of an object look like when it is in uniform motion? So if it is in uniform motion, the path will be a straight line. Now fifth question, during an experiment, a signal from a spaceship reached the ground station in 5 minutes. So time is given 5 minutes. Time 5 minutes. What was the distance of a spaceship from the ground station? The signal travels at a speed of light. It means the speed of light is given 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Convert 5 minutes into second. So it will be 300 seconds. And you have to calculate the distance. So as we know, v is equal to distance by time. So distance is equal to velocity into time. Velocity is 3 into 10 to the power 8 into 300. So this can be written as 9 into 10 to the power 10 meter. So if these are 9, then 100 can be written as 10 square. So 10 to the power 8 plus into 10 to the power 2. So if you will add the power, it will be 9 into 10 to the power 10. Now some other questions. In some other questions, I will discuss this question. The maximum speed of a train. This is a different question. The maximum speed of a train is 80 km per hour. It takes 10 hours to cover a distance of 400 km. It takes 10 hours to cover a distance of 400 km. Find the ratio of its maximum speed find the ratio of its maximum speed to its average speed, to its average speed. So maximum speed is given 80 km per hour. So we can write according to question, maximum speed is equal to 80 km per hour. Now it is also given that it takes 10 hours to cover a distance of 400 km. So average speed will be total distance traveled by total time taken. We have discussed now. So total distance traveled is 400 km and total time is 10 hours. So it will be 40 km per hour. You will simplify, you will get 40 km per hour. Now what you have to calculate? Ratio. So ratio of maximum speed by average speed. So maximum speed is 80, average speed is 40. So this ratio will be 2. I think you all are able to understand. Now we will discuss another question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, a car moves through 20 kilometers. A car moves through 20 kilometers at a speed of 40 km per hour, and the next 20 km at a speed of 60 km per hour. Calculate its average speed. Isn't it? So to calculate average speed, as you know, the formula is total distance traveled by total time taken. So the distances are given in the question here, 20 km and the next 20 km. So you can easily write that total distance is 20 plus 20. But for time is not given, so first calculate the time. So let initial distance I am writing S1 is 20 kilometer. Now V1 speed is 40 kilometer per hour. So calculate the time, how much time it will take to cover 20 kilometer with this speed, with 40 kilometer per hour. So speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So it will take half hour to cover a distance of 20 kilometer with a speed of 40 kilometer per hour. Now again the next distance is also 20 kilometers, so we are writing S2. S2 is also 20 kilometer. Now for this distance speed is given 60 kilometer per hour, and you have to calculate the time first, that how much time the object will take to cover this distance with this speed. So same formula, time is equal to distance by speed. So distance is 20 and this is 60, so 1 by 3r. Now we will calculate average speed. Now average speed, as we know, average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. So total distance traveled is simply 20 plus 20, and total time is half plus 1 by 3. So it will be 40, and if you add these two fractions, half and 1 by 3, so 6, 3, 2, so 5 by 6.